It's a Hanukkah present, Monkey.
You want to open it?
Come on, Brayden. Show me what it is. What's that? Whoa, what is it? Is it a new toy?
It's in a box.
Whoa.
Ooh, it's another book. My First Hanukkah. You like that book? Pretty.
We'll have to read it to you tomorrow night. It's so late.
It's pretty,
Say
huh?
thank you. You got Good Night, Arizona. Show that.
And that's from the Voskamps.
Oh.
Look at all these nice books.
I'm going to read those to you, honey. Right, I think it's time for bed, Monkey.
Time for Betty? All right.